Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So in today's tutorial I'm going to be talking about how to create a countdown in ProPresenter, so which is going to make it easier for you to maybe use the countdown before service on your live stream or any other places. So this is going to make the audience to get ready for your service. So you are going to be jumping into the tutorial right now. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel now, like this video, then drop a comment in the comment section if you have any question about this particular software called ProPresenter or in any other area. So let's jump right into it. So as you can see right here, I have different three screens right here. I have the live stream, the audience, and the stage display. So we are going to be creating our countdown now. So I already created one. This is it. This is the countdown. If I click on this right now, it's going to show a countdown, but I like using this thing, which is going to make it look okay. So it's not going to show in the live stream, but it's only showing in the audience screen, and it's not showing in the stage display. So I achieved this by using the look right here. I'm going to talk about that one later, maybe in another video, but let's talk about what we are doing here, which is the creating a countdown. So when creating a countdown in ProPresenter, the first thing I'm going to do is that you're going to create a new presentation. I already have one here, so you can, to make it easier for you, maybe arranging your presentation, you can create a new library for your tools. Let's say you have an announcement loop you want to create, you have a countdown, and every other thing you are going to use that is different from your lyrics. So you can create a new library by just clicking on this plus button, then click on new library. So here you are going to be creating another countdown. So this countdown you are seeing right here is a 5-minute countdown. So we are going to be creating another, let's say 1 minute countdown. I'm just going to create a new presentation, give it a name. I just say 1 minute countdown. Alright, then don't make any other changes, so just click on new. So it's going to create the presentation right here. So click on the presentation. You see we are not going to see anything because we haven't configured our countdown yet. So alright, now click on this edit right here. It's going to open the editor. So we are right here in the editor. So we are going to be creating a countdown. So if I come right here and click on this, you can link this text to a particular countdown. But first, let's come back to show right here. So come back to countdown right here. Then we are going to create another one. So click on this plus button right here to create a new countdown. Alright, then let's give the countdown a name. So just click on this button right here. It's going to put it down. So you can give this one a name. Let's say 1 minute countdown. Alright, then there are some other things we are going to set. Set rather. So the other setting we are going to do is the settings of how many minutes. So these two right here, hold on, this first 0 here represent the hours, this one represent the minutes, and this one represent the seconds. So we are going to set this. So I'm just going to set this to 1, so we are using 1 minute. Alright, then that's all. Just click on this to close it. Then come back to this presentation right here, then click on edit. It's going to take us back to the edit window. Then select this text. We are going to link it to the countdown. Just select the timer right here, then the countdown we created, which is for 1 minute countdown. Click on it to just link the text. So there are some other settings that I'm going to do right there. Is that I'm going to these are the format. They have hour, minute, we have seconds, 2 seconds right there. So I'm just going to remove one, and also I'm going to remove this hour also. So we only have the minute and the second. So the next thing I'm going to do right here is change the font of this particular text right there. Click on this and scroll up. So I'm going to look for a private font for this countdown. So let's just use this. So I'm going to bold, then let's increase the size, something like, let me use something like 200. Let's see. So or let's say 150. So I think that's okay. Then we are going to come back to show right here. So if I click on this right here, you can see the presentation right here, but it's not showing very well. Change the background to something that's a little bit dark. You can see it's 1 minute, but you can I prefer using this, which makes it feel good with the circle that is on the image. So it's not looking good like this, so I can come back to this edit text right here, this thing, and can then change the color of this particular text to black, which is going to make it feel cool. So let's select this and click on show, and I select there. So as you can see now, it's now black, but it's supposed, as I select this presentation, it's supposed to automatically start this countdown timer. So it's not going to start automatically. You can just, to make it start automatically, just right click this particular slide right there, then we are going to add the action to it. So click on action. Here we have a timer, just select the timer, then we are going to select the countdown we created the other time, which is the 1 minute countdown. So then if I just, as you can see, the action is to start this countdown. So if I click on this again, you can see it start the countdown. So this is what it's going to show on your screen, and this is what it's showing on your live stream. So as you can see that you can create another screen for your live stream. If you want to use countdown in your live stream, maybe you want to input into your streaming software like OBS, so you can just create a new screen. The screen I use this one for, which is this live stream screen that I use there, is just for lower touch text, the lyrics. That's the only thing I use this one for. So let's say we have a countdown right now, and after the countdown I want it to display the image, so I can just get the image ready, or I can put the